Well, we're up and at it. Day 3, Monday, August 9th on Isle Royale. About 7 o'clock last night, it started raining. Pretty much rained all night. And then this morning it was clear and nice and just started to hike, and it's pretty much steady little drizzle. But we're going to be hiking from Siskowit Bay to, where are we going? South Azore, right? Yep. South Azore campsite. Pretty much we're going to be following the Siskowit Bay for, there's a snake, a little tiny snake. Kind of on the outskirts of the bay for several miles. Not sure how much I'm going to show today because it's rainy and cloudy. But we'll check in later. I got a picture of your big white bodies in lakes in Rainbow Cove.
There's a lot of me that probably shouldn't be shown.
Well, we left the shoreline and we're hiking on the Island Mine Trail, heading back up to the middle of the island. And it's going to show you these berries. They're edible. They're called thimbleberries. I never heard of them. The ranger through the orientation told us, she said they're everywhere. They're kind of like, look like wild strawberries, but they're super red and mushy. They are like good to eat. We got about a 10-mile hike today. And as you saw earlier, we basically followed the Siskowit Bay coastline for several miles. And then we're heading inland till we hit the Greenstone Trail, which is basically the trail that runs east to west right down the middle of the island. And it's the highest point of the island. I think there's another fire tower up there. I don't know if we're going that far though. And somewhere about halfway today, we crossed the Siskowit River. We're gonna stop there and have a break, take lunch. So yeah, the sun came out. We had to take all our rain gear off, and now it's clouding back up. But it actually feels awesome. It's cooled it down. It's kind of drizzling, but not bad. Well, we're still heading up the middle of the mountain, or island, excuse me. Kind of entered a hardwood area. It's pretty much been going uphill since we left the bay. And let's see, today I'm kind of in the middle. Got 2 in front of me and 2 behind me. So we took a little detour off the trail to find the remnants of an old mine.
What's that?
What is that? What is that, Robbie?
It's an old firebox.
Old firebox.
Engine.
Firebox engine. That's cool.
In fact, there's the firebox.
Holy crap, look at them wheels. How in the hell did they get that here?
I don't know. 1800s.
Oh, look at those gears. Wow.
Let's see if this opens.
Wow, is that heavy?
All right, well, we made it to South Lake Desor campsite. We're actually already set up. There's my Lanshan Pro and Tommy's Big Agnes and Robbie's Teton, 2-man. And then the brothers' next campsite hammocking. And let me see if you can see this lake. There is a photo of Lake Desor. We're about to head down there and go swimming. Peace. Well, I just walked down to the Lake Desor from our campsite. It's kind of steep walk, but here is Lake Desor. We've actually gone swimming and bathed every night. Water's, last night was the coldest. That water had to be about, it was a bay, so it's warmer than Lake Superior, but it was probably 40, 42 degrees. This will probably be cold too. But I'm getting in. See ya.
Like 8 o'clock. 8:45? No, it's 8:41.
Well, that's we came back down to the lake to check the sunset. 8:40 up here, and we still got plenty of sun up in the sky.